Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this 11-ounce coffee mug holder set. So this is the 11-ounce mug, and this is the one. So it looks like this. You open it on the top, and this is the die set. So you get this basic piece, and then these are all the layering pieces, so that's put aside. And what you need to do is that you only need to cut this piece 2 times to make it, and you could make it like this way, just like this way. That I didn't use layering pieces on this project. I cut them 4 times, so 1 time for this backing piece and then 1 time for this piece, just to make the holder more sturdy. And you can also just cut these pieces 2 times and then cut the layering pieces to make it more sturdy. So you could use different ways to decorate your mug holder. So I have cut these pieces out. So I just cut this piece, these 2 backing pieces 2 times, and then I cut these layering pieces here. So both 2 times to finish it, because you have the front side and back side, right? And for this backing this bottom piece, I only cut it 1 time because the other piece will hide at this part. So this project is quite simple to make, because you only need to choose the papers and then stick it on the top and then finish it. So for sticking this part, make sure you stick this part here. See, there is a little curve here. So this is on the top side, so it looks like this, because there is also a curve at this part, right? So make sure you stick it in the right direction. So these 2 parts are ready, and there is the stitch lines here, right? So just fold it like so. So it will have this shape, and also do the same to this one. So it will have this shape here. And it's the time to finish your project just by gluing this part here. And if your mug is larger, then you could also make it like so. See, so this bottom part, you can make it wider or shorter. It just depends on because if you make it like this, it's also okay. See, like so. So for this bottom part, it depends on how wide your mug is. So if you are like this mug, then this is the standard size, then you could just stick all this part here. But if your mug is wider, then you could put it like so. Then it will have more space for you. And if in this way, it's better that you also place pattern paper at the bottom part. So yeah, just will not leave it blank here, right? So since my mug is a standard 11-ounce size, so I will do it. I just will stick all these pieces and then yeah, glue it like so. So yeah, it looks like this. And I also saw that she also made a very cute mug holder, and then she also decorated all the inside part. And I think that is also a very good idea to do that, because then, you know, when the recipient gets it, when she open it like this, then she also see the inside part with full decorated with the pattern paper. Yeah, I think that is a very beautiful. So I love that idea of also adding the pattern paper in the inside of this mug holder. And then I also saw that, yeah, Bonner, she made it not into our mug holder, but she add an acetate paper here. So add an acetate paper at this part, and also this part, and make it into our, sorry, I don't know, I forgot how to call that, but just a box, just a square box, just to hold that one. And you could check her video. I will also link her video at the description box below, so you could check all her cute projects featuring the October release. And I will also link the link for Eve, that she's showing her some of the October samples, October projects in her YouTube channel. I will also link her video in the description box below, so you could see that she decorated a very, very beautiful coffee mug, a mug holder. And yeah, I really love that one. So this is the how it looks like. Then you could put your mug inside, and you can decorate it. You can close it just using a twine, yeah, since it has hole here, then yeah, you just need to decorate with the twine, right? So this is how this mug holder is made. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.